Hello world, my name is Joshua Soliman, 14 years old from Tarlac in the Philippines. This is my CS50x final project, PERFCALC. It's a simple web application that calculates and assesses the penetration of dense APF SDS or armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot, in short, long rod tank rounds, on sheet armor. The idea is simple. Input the given parameters of the penetrator or long rod and input the parameters for the target. Press calculate and using a proprietary formula which I derived, calculates how much perforation in millimeters the sheet armor would experience. Let me demonstrate. We can select the material type here. Depleted uranium or tungsten are available. So you can see this is partial penetration. If I use tungsten to be a total penetration, if I manipulate the density, 6,000, will be partial again. Now what if I turn this into 50? No penetration at all. And clearly, if I make the penetrator shorter, there will be less penetration. Again, 640 millimeters. Here is the pop-up footer. If I bring this up here, like this. Here is the how to use the calculator website. So its applications range from more efficient projectiles and armor for the military to protecting spacecraft from micrometeorites. So here's the code for the project. This is the HTML for the index. Here are the calculate buttons. The how-to HTML, the styles for the HTML. Here's where I implemented the tab feature and the JavaScript and the formulas. And finally, the README. Thank you for all of those who made this course possible and who made this project possible, such as Compositor. This is PERFCALC, my CS50X Introduction to Computer Science final project. This was CS50.